Let me show you how to build your first Force.com app. We'll take a list of expenses and we're going to turn them into a secure, scalable expense application. The first step is to create a custom object. Click the link and then fill out the information. A custom object is just like a table in a database or a tab in a spreadsheet. You can check the boxes to allow reports, activities, and track field history. Also to add notes and to launch the custom tab wizard when you save. The second step is to create a tab. The tab wizard will launch automatically for you after creating the custom object. We'll select a tab style of the bank and then click Next. We'll leave the defaults for the security profiles and we'll uncheck the box to include the tab in our other applications. The third step is to add custom fields. You do this by scrolling down to the custom field section and click New. We'll start by adding an expense date. Let's scroll down to the date type and we'll select Date. Scroll down to the bottom and click Next. In this example, we'll label the field Date and we'll also use an expression to default the value to today. Click Next and then we'll click Next again and then we'll save and add another field. The second field we'll add is the amount of the expense. We'll do this by selecting the currency option and clicking Next. Again, we'll simply label the field name and we can give it a length and a decimal place value. The third field we'll add is the category. This will be a pick list which has several options to choose from in a drop-down. We'll add a flight, a meal, a hotel, and other in the category selections. We'll click Next and then we'll click Next one more time and we'll save since we're done adding our fields. The fourth step is to create the app. Select Apps from the Create menu and click New. An app is a collection of tabs that appear in the drop-down in the upper right. You need to name the application, and you can also give it a custom image if you want. You need to select the tabs that you want to appear in the app, in this case Expenses, and set the default landing tab as well to Expenses. You want to make the application visible to all of your profiles and save it. Once you've saved the application, you can go to the upper right drop-down and immediately access your Expenses application. By using the application, you simply click New to create an expense record. As you see, you can give the expense report a name. You can also select a date. Since this was a date type, it automatically has a calendar for you. And the amount is automatically tied to different currencies. Your drop-down category has the values that you input. Now you can save your record and start using the expense application. So have fun building your first application on Force.com.